guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Valentine giveaway, and thank you for subscribing and showing your love to us. And
since day one.
And we're gonna pick from that. But first, let's do rock, paper, scissors.
No, but do you want to give your brothers a chance to like say something before?
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
That's not a man. That's a man.
Sorry, man, my brother.
Okay, Mars, do you want to say anything to your subscribers?
Thank you for subscribing. We wouldn't be here today without you. And for those who haven't subscribed, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And if your setting is on private,
You're a bitch.
Turn it off so we can see who you are, and maybe give you a shout out in our next video.
Okay.
Shout out to my friends.
Not yet for shout out.
Sorry.
Too early for that. All right, so Elston, come on. Do you have anything to say?
Thank you for subscribing.
Oh, okay. All right, what about you,
And I
Leander?
hope you like
Again, thank you guys for subscribing.
All right, guys. So this is the moment that you've all been waiting for. Once again, we want to take this opportunity to say thank you, and thanks to each and every one of you. For those of you who have been following us since day one, and for those of you who have been also watching us every single time we upload videos, we want to say thank you. And we also want to thank these people who are behind me watching taking this video. Thank you very much. Now, before we get started, let's see if we can give everybody the chance to like just shake it up. So let's give it to Mars. All right, shake him up, shake him up. Oh. All right, so shake him, come on. All right, William's turn. Shake him.
The best
You too, Elston. You want to maybe give it to these guys behind me so they can shake him too?
Dad, turn the camera.
All right, guys. So if you look straight ahead, you have the prize. We have to apologize. It's not much, but as a token of our appreciation, we want to give you this for being very faithful to our channel and also for your love and support. So let's go ahead, and who's gonna pick? You guys want to do the rock, paper, and scissors, or?
No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work.
Okay, it's not gonna work. I have a better idea. Why don't you guys like compare who's got the loudest fart? Okay. I mean, you're gonna have to like force yourself. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you know. So let's start with Mars, and let's see if we can make a big loud fart. You ready? 3, 2, 1. And I got the squeeze. Okay. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, okay. Okay, that was loud. Okay. What about you? What about you, Mars? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And you, William? 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. And you, Elston? 3, 2, 1. All right.
I want that.
Okay, so who do you guys think had the loudest sound effect.
That was.
I think it
That
was
was definitely
Elston.
Elston.
It was Elston.
Elston?
Oh, yeah.
All right. So Elston will be the
Before
one
he
that's going to
picks-
be doing the
Hey,
picking
listen,
up the
Listen,
winner.
listen.
Let's just. Before Elston draws, everyone that subscribed, you guys are winners. There's no losers in this. Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
This is the moment you've been waiting for.
Let the drum begin. Roll it. Oh. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. You gotta shake it more.
Okay.
Come on, hurry.
All right. All right. Give it to who's gonna read it?
I got it. I got you. I got
Oh,
you. I got you. I got you.
whoa. I think I know.
Okay, give it to. All right. All right. So who's the winner? Give it to Mars. Give it to Mars.
Kylie Vestal.
Congratulations!
Oh. Okay. So who's that again?
Kamara's threat.
Kylie Festo.
Yep.
All right. Congratulations, Kylie Festo. Thanks again for being a very good support to our channel. All right.
I'm in one, but
She's
good
getting the whole
job.
basket.
What?
All right. So hopefully we'll have another prize for you folks next time. That's the first prize giveaway for this Valentine's, and we once again thank each and every one of you, and congratulations again to
Whoever I pick gets a shout out.
Kylie
Vestal.
Vestal.
Festo.
Hey,
All right.
hey,
Okay.
look down.
Any last words you guys want to say before we close out the video?
Shout out to Uncle Burton, Auntie Jane, and Rayla
Uh-huh.
for subscribing and
This one.
commenting what to do in videos.
All right. So
Kylie the winner.
you know what, guys? Because we want to also give another giveaway to a second person, let's go ahead and pick another one.
Another one.
Let's go.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Hey, let me pick it.
Another
Dad,
No,
can I
let's
pick
pick
it?
it, but I'll read it.
Can I pick
Okay.
it?
Okay.
No, let Moss pick it. Let Moss pick it.
Marcin will
Let
pick
Moss
it.
pick. Wait, you have to fold everything.
What can I try read?
I got it. I can read. Come on now. Let's go.
Come on, get someone.
No.
Actually, oh, why should you read it?
No, you read it.
Okay.
Hey, give it to Leandro so you can read. I say.
Congratulations to Rosemary Cellofish.
Who's that? Cici?
that?
Sissy!
Oh, all right. Congratulations, Rosemary. You have won the second prize.
What is the second prize?
I don't know. It might be for
High
next
five?
year. All right.
Maybe.
Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Congratulations to Kylie Festo and Rosemary Cellofish for subscribing and winning this Valentine giveaway. And when we reach 100 subscribers, we're gonna have another giveaway. So hope you guys comment so you guys can win our giveaway. And make sure to tell people to subscribe because I know you guys want another giveaway. And
Like this video, like always, and share it with other people so we can grow.
Mm-hmm.
Subscribe.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Please,
And we'll see you on the next video.
Peace.
Peace.